Hello all, new day, new video. You can see it's a Flipkart package. So we'll open it. Now I'm opening it. Let's see. So as you see, it's a model car. I can see the box is damaged from this side. This is a Lamborghini Centenario. Yes, now it's open as you see. Very smooth. Wow, it's like very smooth it is. The branding on the Lamborghini. It's a Lamborghini logo over here. And then LP 774, so 770 horsepower. I'm glad this shipment has come because of some previous shipments come damaged or wrong. At least this shipment has come correct from Flipkart. अब इसमें देखते ओपन क्या होता है. उन्होंने बोला तो था hood is opening, they had said, but I don't think so the hood is opening. I can't see any hood opening over here, so that's a wrong info. Okay, the doors will be opening. Yeah, the doors are opening like this, typical Lambo style. Licensed product, looks awesome. They had said that the rear engine bay is opening. I mean, said the dicky, so I understand that's a rear engine bay. It's an engine compartment. All Lambos have the engines on the rear, so the rear engine compartment is opening as you see. The rear wing is also opening. You can see over here. Yeah, see this. This is the rear wing. This, when the car picks up the speed, the original Lambo, the rear wings automatically open to adjust the airflow properly. It would have been great if the bonnet was opening. और यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हो the engine compartment in the Lamborghini's engine layout is also there as you see over here. The Lamborghini's engine layout as you see over here, proper red and silver. Done properly. The essence of the rear wing, means the rear wing and the rear bumper essence are done properly as you see over here on yellow. Dash is proper. The dashboard is been done properly inside. The seating compartment and all, everything is done. The racing seats, everything is done properly. And then I think there is light and sound in this, so we will have to see. Yeah, it is there, so we will have to remove this. Yeah, now we will see. It's not working. Maybe we'll have to change the batteries. Maybe, I think so. It's not working. You have to just open this and put your batteries inside. I don't know, it's an LR44. How many are there? We have set 3 LR44 batteries. 3 LR44 batteries. AG13 LR44, 1.5 volts. And what is the sequence? Okay, this should go like this and this should go like this. So I'm putting this one like this again. And then putting this and this down. Now let's see all. Now if this doesn't work, we'll have to change the batteries. That's the only alternative. Yeah, and now you can see, guys, this is working superb. You can see, so there is light and sound in this. I'll do it once more. Yeah, see this, guys, looks awesome. It's looking awesome. Wow, superb. You can see how bright are the rear lights. Looking awesome. Lamborghini's logo on both the sides and the front fender. The Brembo's brake calipers are also visible if you see. proper detailing of the alloys, 5-spoke alloys, Lamborghini's typical alloys. In these cars, I don't know if you know, in the Lamborghinis the front wheels are small and the rear wheels are big. It is like that in Lamborghini, and they use Pirelli tires. Okay, they have a partnership with Pirelli. So same they have replicated in this model, as you see properly. The fronts are small, the rears are big, and they have Brembo's calipers, Brembo's brake. So Brembo's red calipers are also visible properly, as you see over here. Very nice, looks awesome and works more awesome, as you see. Because of the lights, completely different look is coming. When you open it, yeah, this light comes when you open it. I've tried to compare it with a 1:43 size car from my collection, because they say this is a real 1:32 size. इसके सामने in front of this Centenario, the Lamborghini, the FJ Cruiser is looking very small, to be honest. Very small it looks. This size makes this SUV is looking like a small kid in front of this Big Daddy Lamborghini. It looks like that. It's a must-have for collectors, I should say. That's it. If you like this video, please hit the like button, subscribe to my channel. Thanks a lot. Bye bye.